VRCA Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I've been looking at Verrica Pharmaceuticals. It is 45 cents. 22% down. It's something. It's not over until it's over. These are my previous charts looking like. Do I have a previous chart here? No, I don't. Okay. Well, I'm going to still keep using my strategy that I've tested after. You don't have to spend 5 figures like I did over 5 years, but I've also spent 5 years testing the things that I've learned in those 5 figures that I've invested in mentors. And I've refined what's making me money, what's not. So we had this supply which got mitigated. This is a perfect mitigation. So I'm saying that the likelihood that the price just keeps melting is quite high. So in this case, lows might be getting cleared if there's like some shift like this, and if not, it's all good. Like, why the heck would I look to take things down or sell if no rules are met? Makes no sense. Well, I'm just gonna still also use this supply high. Other than that, it's all noise. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.